today we're going to be doing a math problem and we're going to be using value places. Do you guys remember the value places?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did it in second grade.
Good.
Yeah.
So we have the hundreds,
First, second, third.
the tens, and the ones, right? So we're going to look at a math problem. This is this math sentence and we're going to break it down first. So I'm going to read the sentence and then we're going to figure out what we do next. You guys are going to help me. So 28 apples fell from the apple tree and were laying on the ground. Not yet. The apple tree had 136 apples still on it. How many apples in all? So what are we going to be doing here? Mia?
Plus.
Plus. What is it called? Adding, addition. We're going to be doing addition. Good. So what is the first number that we're going to write here? What is the first number that we're going to be dealing with? Ethan.
There's actually something that you have to do. It's a word problem. So you gotta box the keyword in all.
There you go. So we're gonna. You want to box the keyword for me? Come
Yeah,
on.
sure. Oh, and we have to also.
Did you raise your hand? Raise a quiet hand. 1 second. Let's let him box this in. In all. Keyword. Good job. That's how we know that we're gonna be doing addition. Okay.
We
Yep.
also have to circle the numbers.
Good job.
Yeah, those are the important information.
That's the important information that we need to do our math problem. Mia?
You have to underline the question.
Well, this is a long question.
No, it's right
This
there.
question here, how many apples?
Mhm.
Good. So can you come underline the question?
Okay.
Yeah, these are the things that we need to know in order to break down and to
Yeah.
do our math problem, right?
Yeah. I got a question.
How many apples in all? Okay. 1 second. So now, what is the first number that we're gonna write down?
136, because it would make more sense if you started with the biggest number when you're adding.
136. Well, we can do it that way, but let's try doing it with the smaller number first. But you can, because adding, right? You can put the numbers either way, and it's still gonna be the same answer, right?
Yeah. Makes it more easier.
Makes it more easier. So let's add with, what's the smaller number here?
28.
28. So we're gonna write 28, okay? Now, what are we gonna do? What symbol are we gonna be using? Ethan?
We're gonna be using the addition symbol.
Addition symbol. What is that called?
Plus.
What is plus? So 28 plus, what's the next number?
136.
136. Good. Now, if we're gonna add it, is this the best way to add?
No.
How should we put it?
We should put the 20 on the top and the 136 on the bottom.
Good, great. We're gonna put it vertical. That's called vertical. So let's make it vertical. This way it's easier
I love
for
that
us
addition.
Oh.
to add, right? 136. And we have to make sure that we align the numbers, right? That we have them right underneath each other. Okay.
Did you know?
So let's see. What is the next step?
I got it.
What are we gonna add first? Liam?
We're gonna add the 8 into the 6.
How much is that?
Huh?
How much is that? Oh, how about?
14.
Well, it
That's
is.
14.
But we're gonna be using this. We're gonna be using this chip model. So what we're gonna do is first, I want you to show. We're gonna show these numbers here on the chip model. So the first number is 28. So we have the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place. 28. What are we gonna do? How do we show 20? How do you think we can show 20 here on this model? Mia?
We can show 20 by putting 2 tens.
2 tens, right? So we're gonna do 2 little circles in the tens.
You can put lines.
1. Yeah, but we're gonna do circles. You can put lines, whatever you want to.
Yeah.
And then, how many do we have? We still need to do what?
Add 136 to that chart.
Not yet. Before that, yeah, we do. But before we do that, what's the next step? We have 20, but we still need how many more?
8 ones.
8 ones. So we have to put, how many do I have to put in my ones? 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Now, that's the first number, but we still have another number here. We have 136. So what are we going to do? What's the first thing we're going to do, Ethan?
What you're gonna do is start with the 100s, hundreds. So just put like one shaded in circle, and then 3 shaded in circle.
Well, let's.
Then 6 shaded in circle.
Good job, but let's do that step by step. So you said the first thing I'm going to do is put 1 shaded in circle, 1 chip, right? Which column am I going to put in though? Hundreds, tens, or the ones?
Hundreds.
Hundreds. 1, right? Because we have 100.
But also there's something that we gotta do. I already got like the ones math problem in my head. So like, you know how it equals to 14, right?
Yes, but that's how we're going to show. We're going to show it step by step. So you're already ahead of us, but let's break it down so we can do it step by step, all right? So you said I have to do a 1 in the hundreds, right? But we still have another number here. So how many are we going to put in the tens? How many?
3 shaded.
3 circles in the tens, right? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. And then we have how many? Mia? 6 in the ones, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now, take a look at this ones column. We have a lot of ones. How can we make a tens bundle? We're going to make a tens bundle. So what are we going to have to do to make a tens bundle?
Gather 10 dots and then move it to the next group.
Gather 10 dots. Yes. So let's count 10 over here. Ready?
Can I do the honors?
So, sure. Whoa, you okay?
Failure for falling.
It's okay. All right. So we're gonna count 10 of our ones, right? Because we know that 1 tens bundle, what's gonna happen? We're gonna move it over to our tens place so that it's easier to count our ones.
Yeah, and then it's gonna turn into 6.
So good. Circle 10.